Hey, Gateway to Mastery is coming and we're excited to bring it to you. We're going to go through with 4 amazing coaches that you're seeing here, and we're going to take you through 7 weeks. Starting with week 1, we're going to go through the amazing marketing cheat sheet where we give you a chance to really understand your target market, start to get very clear about who you're going after, what your appeals are going to be. And of course, the target market analyzer will help you make some big choices in what you're doing and who you're going after.
In week 2, we focus in on your story. All great marketing is based on a story, and we're going to help you develop your story and be able to tell it in a very specific way, along with identifying who it is that you're telling that story to, as we analyze your perfect avatar.
In week 3, we start to put it all together where the fun stuff happens, from building a Google business page to brochures and starting to look into putting your story onto some of those social media channels.
And week 4, guys, we go into video, and it is an amazing deep dive into how to produce the right videos to put out and do it consistently and do it to build and support your brand. Super, super exciting.
We all know how important online reviews are. Everyone goes online to research. We're going to tell you how to get those reviews from past clients and people that you work with, along with what help you walk through the perfect setup for your Facebook business page.
Along with that, we still have some more free sources for you. This is marketing that is done for you. We don't need any recognition. Take your brand, make it your own.
And then we take you into week 6, which is the social media audit guide. We give you a 52-week top engagement post guides to build engagement on social media, audit your social media, build your social media around this brand that you build.
And week 7 is ultimately where we get into the relationship marketing guide. It's going to take you right into all the pieces and parts of building up engagement, but also response. And on top of all that, we're going to also add in some elements which is called Gateway to Conversation Mastery, a second part that's running concurrently, all about having intelligent conversations, scripts and dialogues, great ways to connect with your people. You want to change something, it doesn't happen on the outside, it starts on the inside and peels off into all the media and marketing that we're going to teach you to do. This is the way that we're going to lead you into a very new future and a very big way of building a marketing-based business.
Yep, join us for Gateway to Mastery, 7 action-packed weeks where you'll master your brand, you'll build your business, and you will absolutely propel your life.